You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary and names of famous scientists and from biology, stay tuned. Got more videos for you you'll want to learn from two German scientists. Ziehl is the German pronunciation here. Ziehl-Neelsen Stain. I said fast. Stain in English. Ziehl-Neelsen Stain. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.